Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today I'm going to show you how to block out at least 72 hours from the day of a reschedule, giving your cleaners enough time to adjust. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Settings tab located on the left side of your screen. Afterwards, select General from the drop-down menu. This will present you with additional choices. Now select Store Options. You'll find a range of settings related to how your store operates. Click the Customers section. Scroll it down, then click on Reschedule to expand it. This is where you can manage your rescheduling preferences. Here, you'll see a question. Would you like to allow customers to be able to reschedule services on their own? Click Yes to enable this feature. Now, you can check the boxes next to one-time, recurring, or both, depending on which types of services you want to allow customers to reschedule on their own. Don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. This will ensure that your cleaners have at least 72 hours notice for any rescheduled appointments. And that's it. You've successfully set up rescheduling preferences in BookingKoala to give your team enough time to adjust. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your cleaning business. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.